Hey guys, so we just read the story about the good egg, and we saw that that egg got some cracks in him. Well, he was just putting pressure on himself. But another way that eggs get cracked is from falling on the ground. So I thought we could do a fun activity, and we could try to construct our own containers so we can drop our eggs and see if they don't break. I just have a box of random stuff. I got some tape, I got some string, I got some plates, I got some paper, really anything. You guys can really make anything that you want. I'm going to show you a couple of different examples that I thought would be fun, but you could literally make anything you want. And then I also have a couple of eggs, and we're going to see if we can save them from falling and breaking. So I have a piece of paper, and I poked some holes in the corner. And I thought that maybe we can make a parachute for our egg. Now, guys, I have no idea if any of these ideas are going to work. And we're just going to have to find out. So, 1 second. I need to get my scissors. I actually can't find my scissors right now. I'm going to use a knife, but that's dangerous for you guys. But you could use a scissor. So I'm just going to cut a couple pieces of string and just going to hopefully be able to tape and tie our egg to... Remember, I'm using a knife, but I think you guys should use a scissor. So I'm going to cut maybe just 4 pieces of string. Okay, that's 4 pieces of string, I think. And let's see, what can I do? I think I'll put it in this hole. And I'll just put some tape to hold it there. So that's 1 string. I'll take another string and put it in this hole. Remember what I said, I don't know if this is going to work, but it's just an idea. I'll tape a piece of string there. And I'll take another string. And I'll put it over here. I hope this works. I hope we don't break all our eggs. I'm sure Jessica will be none too pleased with me if I break all of her eggs. And 1 more piece of string. All right, and then we'll take an egg and we'll put it in the middle. And I'll take some strong, strong duct tape. Oop, I can't find the end. Hold on. So maybe I'll just put my strings by my egg. Maybe we can just tape our strings to the egg. Okay, now we have a little parachute. We'll have to just see if that's gonna work. So we'll put that off to the side. And then also have these plates. So maybe we could just, I don't know, what if we just put the egg inside the plate and cover it with another plate? And maybe we can just tape it. Maybe this will work. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if any of these ideas are going to work. We're just going to have to do an experiment to find out. Don't worry, I'll show you. We're going to go drop our eggs, and we're going to see if this works. So tape again. And maybe just one more time. Okay. I can hear the egg in there. I wonder if it'll work. We'll put that off to the side. And then I have a box. So I was thinking what we could do is maybe levitate our egg and have it floating in the box. And maybe, just maybe, it won't break. So let's see. Oops, that's not long enough. Maybe we can do it this way. Maybe I'll put my tape across. Maybe I'll put my tape across this way. So we can hold our egg. And maybe we'll put the egg right here. Maybe. And maybe we can put, again, on top of the egg. And maybe we can go across again. And I just maybe want to take this one down a little bit better. I'm wondering if this will work, guys. Whoops, that's too much tape. Hey, look. Okay, see, we still got our egg in there. This one might work, guys. So, now I think I'll take you guys outside because I don't want to break an egg on the floor. And we'll see if this will work. So, hey, look, let's just go outside now, guys. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drop an egg without any help. Just see what happens. What do you think will happen when I drop this egg? Let's see. I'm gonna try to drop it on the cement by itself. Oh no, it broke. Poor little egg. Well, hold on, let's try to clean that up. Hold on. Bye-bye, broken egg. Okay, so now we'll try to drop an egg with a little bit of help. So let's try our parachute egg and see if this will work. I'm not sure about this one, guys. We'll have to see. I'm gonna drop it. Let's see. Uh-oh. I don't think that worked very well. Nope, nope, nope. That one didn't work very well. All right. Let's try our plate egg. We'll drop it and then we'll take a look inside. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I don't know about that one, guys. Let's find out. Oh no! We didn't even have to open it. That didn't work. Okay. We got one more to go. We got our special box So let's see, guys. None of our eggs, all of our eggs have broken so far. I'm hoping that this one works. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's take a look. Huh? Guys, I think we did it. We did it. Look, our egg is okay. This one is fine. Wow, this one actually worked. Well, hold on, let me do that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that experiment, and I hope you guys are able to do your own egg dropping experiment too. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Enjoy your day, and I love you guys.